Yeah.
Okay, so Ranger, this is the Scarab hydrostatic box. We use these in all our single engine units. As you can see, this one we've cut it away so we can teach the guys how the box engages. And basically, this is the front of the hydrostatic box here. So you have a small prop shaft that's coupled to the engine and the gearbox coupled to the engine. And you put it in gear and you just drive down the road, first, second, third, fourth, and as you can see, this big gear in the back here is spinning, and the rear prop shaft is spinning to the diff. And we go forward, select reverse, we go back. Okay, you get to the work site and you go, okay, I want to step into work mode now. Okay, so you put your handbrake on, you put your foot on the clutch, and you press the button or turn the switch, and an air ram on top of here will pull this gear up, and she'll just engage. And from there, if I turn this one now, you'll notice the back one's not turning at all.
Right.
So we're in top gear and this is spinning like as if you're going down the road at 100 kilometers an hour. So it's really spinning. This comes into the drive pump, okay, which takes the hydraulic fluid going through it and pressurizes it around to the drive motor, which goes in the back here. It's a bit hard to see, but it's a big motor. It's a spline that goes in the back. That then, when you put your foot on the accelerator, will start to drive this. Okay, and you see when I turn this one, now the back's going.
It's going
okay?
again. Right.
So this one here is spinning flat out, and this one I can move as slow as I like.
And it doesn't affect this.
It doesn't affect it. So this is going flat out, and this one's just going as slow as I like. I'm going to do it that way.
Yeah.
And it can go forwards or backwards. Okay, and that's your hydrostatic.
Well, I know I've never seen that, so I'm sure somebody else out there has it as well.
It's very, very good. So on this side here, we run our fan pump, and then we put our fan on the top of the hopper, and then we run it to the motor, and off we go. Very, very reliable system. And the hardest part is getting the operator to engage it without crashing the gears. And by crashing the gears, I mean him doing that. Okay? And that's just that he hasn't taken the time to actually move the truck less than probably 3 millimeters. Because if he moves the diff just a tiny, tiny bit, he'll get better engagement. Okay, so take your time, treat the machine how you like to be treated, with respect. It'll last forever. If you don't, what will happen is you'll chip a tooth, okay? Sure. And the tooth will go down to the bottom, and with this big gear here, it's not very far away from the bottom. The clearance is probably less than 3 millimeters.
It'll get there eventually.
And if you chip a big tooth, it's going to go there, crack, it cracks the bottom of the casing, and you're up for a new casing. So, but hydrostatic drive, for the people that understand them and like them, there's nothing better. The people that don't understand them, like them, they go for automatics.
Gotcha.
So,
thank you.
You're welcome.